Have you ever pondered the ultimate fate of the stars that light up our night sky? Welcome to the enigmatic world of black dwarf stars. A black dwarf star, a term that sounds like it belongs in a science fiction novel, is an actual celestial object, yet it's one that is shrouded in mystery. But why? To understand this, we first need to grasp the life cycle of stars. Stars, much like living beings, have a birth, a lifespan, and an eventual death. Born from clouds of dust and gas, they spend most of their life as main sequence stars, burning brightly by fusing hydrogen into helium. Our very own sun is currently in this stage. However, as stars exhaust their hydrogen fuel, they expand into red giants, and then shed their outer layers, leaving behind a hot core known as a white dwarf. These white dwarfs are incredibly dense, packing a mass similar to the sun into a sphere roughly the size of Earth. But here's where the mystery begins. Over billions upon billions of years, these white dwarfs are expected to cool and fade away, eventually becoming black dwarf stars. But the universe, as we know it, isn't old enough for this to have happened yet. So, in essence, black dwarf stars are theoretical. They exist only in the imaginations of astronomers and the equations of astrophysicists. Isn't that fascinating? A celestial object that is a part of the natural progression of stars, yet one that doesn't seem to exist. At least not yet. To summarize, black dwarf stars are the expected final stage in a star's life. A stage that occurs after a star has exhausted all its fuel, expanded into a red giant, shed its outer layers to become a white dwarf, and then cooled and faded away over an unimaginable length of time. They're a theoretical concept, a ghostly presence in our understanding of the universe. The study of these theoretical objects offers astronomers an exciting glimpse into the far future of our universe. A future that's so far away, it's almost beyond comprehension. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this. Each of those twinkling stars is on a journey that, given enough time, will end in silence and darkness. But also remember that this darkness is not empty. It's filled with the echoes of the stars that once were, the theoretical black dwarf stars.